Hey, Gabe! Oh my God! Yes!
Oh,
yes!
Box up!
Yes!
Yes! Oh! Be careful, it's fragile.
Oh no!
Oh yes.
Whoa! Oh! There's fidget spinners everywhere! Oh! There's a shirt! Oh! Gabe, you're good at these. Go ahead.
No, it's missing a truck. That's so relaxing.
Hey guys, we are 70 Customs. We make and sell fidget spinners here in the US, among other things. I don't know if the world's ready, I don't know if the world cares, but for you guys we made it a life-size fidget spinner skateboard. We saw your fidget spinner wheel videos and thought it'd be cool to see you guys skate an actual fidget spinner board. We had a ton of fun making this board and can't wait to see what you guys do with it. We put 2 caster wheels on the front board and left the third prong empty for a pair of trucks. Along with the board, we include a few of our spinners to play with and hand out. Check us out at youtube.com/7D Customs for fidget spinner tricks, tutorials, gives, and giveaways. Enjoy from 7D.
Ooh, that is buttery. Hey, guys, hey,
wait.
hey, we're trying to skate a giant fidget spinner skateboard here.
Fidget fun!
Ow. Not another fidget spinner. Fetty!
We are fully aware that you guys are not a fan of the fidget spinner videos. That's why I've been posting a lot of clips of me skateboarding on my Instagram just for this video.
Consume the fidge. Oh, yeah. ASMR. ASMR. Oh yeah.
I'm consuming the fidge.
The fidget spinner catch! Oh! That's what it's
What?
like.
What? Hey, wait, you guys think that maybe, just maybe, we've done one too many fidget spinner videos?
Yes.
Right here. Please stack them as tall as you can.
There you go, Fetty.
These are the stupidest thing ever, but none of them will stop playing with them.
No, dude, they're insane on it. First try?
You don't know how much stuff we have up there.
Oh, Gabe. Put Luke on there. He's the lightest one. Is there anything you're not good at?
No.
I didn't think so. Oh, first try.
First try! SK8. Stop! That is enough.
This thing is indestructible.
Yeah, hold on.
Get in there, Lance. Get in there, Lance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get it. Yeah. Yeah. You ruined my channel.
People hate you!
Betty, Braille drop. Hey, shout out to 7D Customs. This is actually pretty well made. Well, how do we focus the rest of it?
Don't throw all those pieces away. We gotta keep them for the boardwalk.
It focused us. Although that shovel, what is that shovel anyway?
I wanted to skate it.
No, we've already skated that.
That's all we'll put. We'll just put that circle on the wall. Play skate for the honorary trophy?
For the trophy. I'll take down anyone in my way.
There's a lot on the line here. These two valiant heroes fought valiantly valiant. Now they will fight again for the trophy.
It has taken our weapons, and now we will take it.
I will judge. You guys will Rochambeau. Gabe the Cruz goes the first.
Save that fidget spinner for the next video.
That's mine.
Betty! Hiya!
Oh my gosh. A to S? Who's really going for the throat?
Skateboarding made simple.
I'd like to thank my mom and the academy,
Which academy?
all of them, and 7D.
So thanks a lot to 7D for sending us this. We had some fun skating it, and we had some fun playing with the fidget spinners. You can check out their link in the link down there below. And yeah, so a lot of you guys have been saying in the comments how much you hate our fidget spinner videos. So we decided, hey,
This is the last one.
this is the last one.
Let's go with the bang.
Go out with a bang.
Go with a bang.
Literally.
A bang.
Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.